Hey everybody, Groggy D. Today is Diwali. I'm gonna have a little surprise for everybody today. I'm gonna do all these fireworks. It's gonna be a quick volley, some smoke, and a lot of noise. Smoke dragons. Got a firecracker, and some crackling crackers. We also have smoke and bottle rockets that have pop and that don't, but all have whistle. We got a whistling cuckoo, smoke dragons by Winda. Whistling and crackling, no whistling, smoke and crackling in that. Let's light it off. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.